To start a new feed, click the Add Content button. Search for whatever you're looking for. Hit the Follow button and click New Feed. And type the name you want to give the feed. Click Follow again. Hit Add. Click Personal Feed and it will add it to your dashboard. I am going to create a graphic design feed. To add blogs, create a new feed, hit the Add button to add blogs to your feed. I am going to talk about Behance. I chose Behance feed because it is a hub where graphic designers post their work and others can join and share as a community. So you can see all the work from graphic designers on their website, and it gives you all the latest graphic design news. And that is how Feedly works. It's very simple to use, good for following favorite topics.